Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rob, and in today's video I want to talk about a couple different things. The main thing I would like to talk about is, for any of you who have watched my channel, you know I'm a big fan of Knight Rider, as you could see in my previous videos I've done. I've also used to watch Airwolf, Knight Rider, the ateam, MacGyver, Magnum. I've watched all those shows. Also I've watched a lot of the Fast and the Furious movies, and I love the Fast and the Furious movies. So I'm here to talk about some things Knight Rider and Fast and Furious related that I think a lot of you might like. So one thing I'd like to talk about is there's this YouTube channel that you might want to go check out. It's called Knight Rider Historians Official. And he has a lot of stuff Knight Rider related. He also does, like I said, does a lot of videos related to Knight Rider. Talks about the different shows, shows you the different things between the right-hand blind drive car, the left-hand blind drive car, the insert car that they call it, the stunt car, I forget what they technically call it. And he's got a couple of the Knight Rider cars himself from the actual movie, TV show. He's got, the actual Knight Rider car, screen used and everything, fully restored. I don't know how long ago it is at this point of doing this video, which is December of 2023. I want to say within the last year to 2 years, maybe, let's just say over 2 years now, he found the screen used tractor trailer. He found the tractor about 2+ years ago, and within the last year to 2 years, maybe a little bit over, he found the trailer. Now he is fully restored both to the way it looked in season 4, and he's like literally put in everything original. There's a few things they're gonna have to go to like a fabricator and make, because they no longer make it like the sleeper cab that was on the semi. He's gonna refabricate that. He's trying to look for some original hinges on the door, and all that stuff. But yeah, definitely I would suggest going and checking out that channel. Like I said, Knight Rider Historians Official. I'll put the description down below so you can find it. And I definitely think you guys would like that video. Another thing I want to talk about, as far as Knight Rider related, is I came across a cool video on YouTube. The channel is called Lampoonery, and I was the impression he was only doing 6 videos, or 7 videos, sorry, of the like a little series where it's Knight Rider meets Fast and Furious. And that the 7th episode was going to be like the final installment. But he just put another short video on, and all these videos are around like 8 to 10, maybe 15 minutes long. So the first one was Knight Rider meets Fast and Furious, and Michael is in there, and they do like a scene from the first in the Fast and the Furious movie. And they currently like do 6 videos, but he's supposed to be doing the 7th with the last one, but he just did a 7th video, and I'll get to that in a minute. So throughout these different videos, it has scenes from like the Fast and the Furious movie, and Brian's in it, and Michael's in it, Kit's in it. So then and I don't know which order these people showed up in. So then in another video, the A-Team shows up. I think that might have been I think the first 2 was just Michael and the Fast and the Furious people. And then, the first and second. And then I think the third one was where the A-Team came in. And then at some point, macgyver came in. Airwolf came in. And I guess the little story was, Brian, Devin picked Brian or something before. And, Brian, they're all at the Foundation for Law and Government. And you definitely got to check it out. And then there was a spot where the A-Team said, Hannibal says about the A-Team in like I think it was in the 6th video or something. They watched a little video, including Brian. And like I said, you definitely got to check out the video. Because they're really cool. I don't want to give too much away. But then they're talking about something. I forget what they're talking about. And Michael's trying to talk to Kit. And Kit's not responding. I guess Hannibal says Kit already got the details and already found something out. And Michael's trying to get a hold of Kit. Kit's not talking. And all of a sudden you see Kit put on like his music. And he starts singing to Airwolf. And Airwolf's console starts lighting up and all that stuff. So, like I said, it's a really good little series, about 8+ minutes long. I don't think they're more than 10-15 minutes. I would be surprised if they're past 10 minutes. Maybe 12 at the most. But once again, the channel is Lampoonery. Definitely I think you would definitely like it and enjoy it. So, like I said, they were supposed to make 7 episodes. The 7th episode, when he talked, was supposed to be the final one. And they just did another one that I know is connected to the Knight Rider meets the Fast and the Furious. Because it starts out where Michael and Kit are driving down the road, and they're saying something. I wonder why Devin never told us about Brian, and all that stuff. And then all of a sudden, they're talking, and all of a sudden it goes to the scene where you see Goliath and Carr. And Goliath and Carr are teaming up. So, I don't know if there is going to be 7 episodes, or if there's going to be more, because technically there is already 7. So I guess I mean 8 episodes, where the 8th one is the final one. But yeah, So I definitely think you guys should check out these two channels. Knight Rider Historians, everything Knight Rider related, like behind the scenes on the show, little insights that show you how to tell the difference between the different cars used in the show. They even show, like, you know, cars that were acquired for different shows. They talk about, you know, that Universal acquired. And how, like, in an episode of Street Hawk, you could see the Knight Rider semi in the background. Also stuff how during the break between a couple of seasons, what the semi was used for and how it was painted a different color and then repainted black. What the semi trailer was used as after the show. A lot of cool things. And that's Knight Rider Historians Official. And then you got on Lampoonery, you got Knight Rider meets Fast and the Furious, where the ateam shows up, MacGyver shows up, Airwolf shows up, yeah, the Knight Rider, the ateam, Airwolf, MacGyver, they all show up in the show. So I definitely think you'd like those. Go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below, or at least put the you know, the names of the channels you can find and search, and go watch these videos and go check out their channels. There's a lot of cool videos on about Knight Rider on Knight Rider Historians Official, and Lampoonery's got at least 7 videos where it's Knight Rider meets Fast and the Furious. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope everybody has a good Christmas, holiday, New Year. I'm going to try to, my goal come this New Year, start doing more videos again. I've just had a lot going on, just been busy. I've done a couple videos, and then I just never got around to posting them. And when I was watching them and I was editing them, I was like, I didn't like the way the video was coming out, so I was like, oh, you gotta redo it. And then with everything just going on, I just didn't get a chance to. So there's a couple videos, couple things I'm planning on doing videos on after Christmas. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good holiday and New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you like this video. Have a great day.